Hey guys and girls, thanks for checking out our video here at mexipes.com. Today we're going to take you on a flight along the beaches in northern Mazatlan from Playa Brujas up here all the way down to Marina Mazatlan. So we're going to come out here and then we're going to turn around. So you're going to see all the condos and hotels along here. You're going to see some of the hotel like Hotel Emerald Bay Riu or Hotel Riu. I guess it's by Emerald Bay, but Hotel Riu. Down here you got Park Royal, Beach Mazatlan, Torrenza, Boutique, Hotel Hacienda. And you'll see a little bit of this El Cid Marina Beach, but we're going to turn around right over here, but you're going to see this in the background. This is going to be in another video. We're going to do videos actually about all the beaches. This is a series about all the beaches all the way down. We're going to go through all of Mazatlan and then through southern Mazatlan all the way out to Estrellas del Mar, which is incredible. There's a beautiful golf course here along the beach, and they have really nice condominiums in here and stuff that you can buy, and lots that you can build actually right in the golf course. But today we are going to stick up on the northern side of Mazatlan over here. So just to mention, back here there's a lot of new development areas where a lot of Canadians and Americans are moving. But we're going to do separate videos in all those. We'll do separate videos in the golf course and all the golf courses like El Cid and golf course Marina Mazatlan and all the rest of them all over around town. But just to mention, all around here, all the way to Rio de Valle and all these new areas, El Palmar, Country Royale. These are a lot of Canadians and Americans starting to move, but stay tuned for other videos. If you like this video and are really interested in Mazatlan or how to live in Mexico, how to make money in Mexico, real estate, and how to invest in Mexico, please subscribe. That would mean a lot to me. This is a new channel, but also you would see all the videos coming up and you'll be able to find the past videos. So you can also check out our website at mexipes.com, where we are going to have all these videos and more, even recipes and just general living in Mexico, things to do, restaurants, places to go, things to do with kids, things to do when you're retired, all about retiring to, and insurance and all the stuff that you need to live here in Mexico. It's going to be very full site, and we'll do videos over all those things. So please subscribe. It would mean a lot to us. Anyway, here we go. I'll take you on a flight.